There's two varieties here. There's Canton and Queensland Gold. They're both suitable for eating and processing, depending on what you're looking for. They're both popular varieties. They've been bred here in Australia for Australian conditions. So there's limited information, limited resources to help growers get started. And then an opportunity came up through the Spicing Up the North program to work with the department. It's a commercial trial, and the idea being that we'd prove the concept of growing clean seed ginger, disease-free seed ginger in a greenhouse environment, potentially then to plant out into the paddock into a commercial production system. This isn't going in 2 minutes, just quietly. So we planted this in September last year, and it'll be 12 months to maturity when we harvest. At this stage it looks very promising. There's definitely some potential there for the industry. The project's already expanding now to include other growers. I've employed a university graduate from a horticulture degree. She's working twice a week, part-time, tending to the ginger, and she's learning lots about the industry too. I've been approached by several local people about the availability of the ginger. Local brew house, local restaurants are quite interested, and even just people from the general public that are finding it hard to get ginger. Try not to eat all my profits here. It's actually bloody good.